Hello everyone, welcome to ERDAS IMAGINE tutorials. In this video, I am going to show you how to perform resolution merge operation in ERDAS IMAGINE software. As a prerequisite to resolution merge, you should have already conducted the layer stacking operation. Here, I am displaying the layer stacked image, and to start the resolution merge, go to the raster tab, select pan sharpen and select resolution merge option. A new window would appear where you are supposed to select your high resolution input file, which is the panchromatic file. Here I am going to select the band 8, which is the panchromatic band of Landsat 8 OLI TIRS sensor. Select that as the high resolution input file. Then coming to the multispectral input file, here you should select the layer stacked image. Right, this is my layer stacked output file. So I am going to now select this as the multispectral input file. Further, you can see there are multiple options available for performing the resolution merge. You can either select principal component or multiplicative or Brouwer transform technique. Also, you have several options available for resampling techniques as well, such as nearest neighbor, bilinear interpolation and cubic convolution. By default, it is selected as principal component and cubic convolution. I'm going to leave it at that. Then coming to the data type, you can select a certain output file of a given data type. I will leave it to float single here. Lastly, we come to the output file. Here you can give the name of the output file you want to save as and save it in a certain directory. I'm going to save it as resolution merge. Further, you can also perform resolution merge by selecting a certain area of interest. You can select the AOI file by clicking into this icon. Currently, in this tutorial, I'm not going to use any AOI file, so I'm going to leave it at that. Right. So now here we have given the high resolution input file as the panchromatic band of the Landsat 8. Then the multispectral input file is a layer stacked file, and we also have given a name to the output file. Let us now start the processing by clicking on this icon. Now, as you can see, the process would start, and usually it would take a lot of time. So I'm going to skip the overall processing. Right. So the process is now complete. Let us close it and open the resolution merged file. Okay. So this is our resolution merged file. Let us first change the spectral bands. I'm going for the combination 543 here. Right. So let us now verify whether the resolution merge has happened. We will do that by clicking on to the resolution merged file here and then going for metadata. Right. So this is our image metadata window. Let us verify whether all of the 7 bands have been added. They are added. And then to verify whether the resolution merge is complete, we check the pixel size. Here you can see the pixel size is 15. Previously, when we performed layer stacking operation, we found that the layer stacked file had a spatial resolution equal to 30 meters. That is shown here. And then our current file, which is the resolution merge file, has a spatial resolution equal to 15 meters. This is because the layer stacked file has a spatial resolution of 30 meters, whereas our band 8, which is the panchromatic or high resolution file, has a spatial resolution of 15 meters. Let us check that as well. Right. So you can see the band 8 has a spatial resolution of 50 meters. So in essence, resolution merge operation is a process of combining a high resolution file, preferably a panchromatic file, and a low resolution file. Here the low resolution file is the layer stacked file, to create a new file which will have a spatial resolution of that of the high resolution file. So here you can see our resolution merge file inherits the spatial resolution from the panchromatic image. Right. So that is how you perform resolution merge using ERDAS Imagine. If you liked this video, kindly press on that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos on ERDAS Imagine. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.